Okay, here we have a 75 Trans Am Pontiac 400 that I'm going to be selling. I wanted to do a video of it so that potential buyers can listen to how it runs, see the pressure readings and all that before I pull it out. Been a good engine to me, has the Quadrajet. This is an original engine that came with the car. The only thing got done to it was pulled out 8 years ago. I got a new oil pan gasket that was leaking. Never had any problem with head gaskets or heads or freeze plugs or anything like that. Doesn't leak, runs good. I'm just swapping it out because I got a good deal on a 455. Don't mind the noisy beeper. Unfortunately, it's original too. There is, if you can see it, the original mileage on the car. This has been warmed up a little bit. As you can see with the temperature, but she still carries it. Runs good, no taps, good response. Thank you for looking.